Welcome to the Disney House Resort construction update number 2. There's my cat Sam, and there's the neighbor's house. But anyways, we are going to go downstairs and check out the new Disney House Resort construction progress. This is the second construction update, number 2. So first we're going to go to Westcott Center and check out the updates over there. Still have Space Station Earth, but I also built the classic Horizons attraction. And over here, there's Journey into Imagination. True classic. See, I got the pyramids and the sign. And I got the jumping fountains. Just like at Epcot. I still haven't built Oregon Adventure yet, but that will start. But I'm expecting to have a big update on that in Part 3. And here's Disneyland Park. Here's the new train station. America Sings. Still have its Small World and Amazement. I haven't done much on displays. I did get a new Park Stars Filmation. Other than that, no, not really anything. And back here, Pirates of the Caribbean. The new version of my new Pirates of the Caribbean is now built. And I wanted to build it. Before I built most of my other attractions, because my #1 subscriber, Mr. Disney Fan Man, loves this ride. It's literally like his favorite ride, which is why I built it. Why I put it before most other rides. So yeah, and that is my Disney House Resort construction update number 2. Number 3, I'll probably have put the kennel, the airport, downtown Disney, and the hotels, plus a huge update on Oregon Adventure. So, see you later. Bye.